Hello students, welcome to Punjabi class. Before starting the class, let us recall what we have done in our previous class. In the previous class, we have done these exercises. And your today's work is to do again some exercises on copy. So for that, with the help of scale, draw margin lines like this. And similarly, draw margin line here like this. After drawing margin line, you have to write today's date and h.w. Today is 9th June 2020. So here write down 9.6.2020. It's 9th June 2020. I'll give you homework today, so write h.w here. Now you have to leave first line, and after leaving first line, write down ex dot exercise 1. After writing exercise 1, leave one box and write down WHAT what? COMAS comes before. BEFORE before. What comes before? And under exercise 1 set 3 numbers. So for that, leave this line and in the next line write down 1. Again, after leaving one line, put number 2 here. Similarly, put number 3 after leaving this line. Now, come to the first point. Here, after margin line, leave first box and then put blank like this. Then, leave next box and in the next box write down era. Now, come to the second point. After leaving first box, again draw sleeping line like this, and after drawing this line, leave one box and write down kakka in the next box like this. Again, come to the next point, third, leave first box, then draw a blank like this, and after that leave next box and write gagga in the next box like this. Now here in these blanks you have to fill what comes before these letters. So come to the first one. I will do this one and you have to do other two. Here era is written. So what comes before era? For that you can read Panti. Ura, era. So what comes before era? Ura. So write down ura here. Similarly, you have to do next one. Now, after this exercise 1, set exercise 2. For that, leave this line and write down ex dot exercise 2. Exercise 2 is what comes between. So here, after leaving first box, write down WHAT what? COMAS comes between. BETWEEN between. So leave a line, put number 1 here. Again leave a line, put number 2 there. Now I have set 2 numbers under exercise 2. Now after leaving one box here, write down khakha in the next box like this. And then after writing khakha, leave one box and put blank. Again leave one box and write down kagga. Now come to the second point. Leave one box and write ed in the next box like this. Again leave one box and put blank here. Then leave one box and write haha in the next box. So here in these blanks you have to write what comes between these two letters. I will solve the first one. The next one you have to do it by yourself. Now here it is khakha. What comes after khakha? So for that you can read the line. Uda, eda, edi, sassa, haha, kakka, khakha, gagga. So here I will write gagga. Now the next one you have to do it by yourself. So for next exercise, leave next line and write down ex dot exercise 3. After that, leave one box and write WRITE write, HINDI Hindi, SOUND sound, OF off. Write Hindi sound off. I'll give some letters and you have to write Hindi sounds. So leave one box and put number 1 here. Then again leave one box and put number 2 here. So here I have set 2 numbers. So after 1, leave one box and write down ed. Again leave one box and put small hyphen like this. Now come to the second point. Leave one box and write down gagga. And again leave one box and put small hyphen like this. So come to the first point where you wrote ed. I will do this one for you. After hyphen, leave one box and write down Hindi sound of ed. So it's E. Write down E. Ed, E. Now for writing exercise 4, turn the page and on this new page our first step is to draw the margin lines. So here draw the margin line first. Now after drawing the margin line, you have to leave first line and write ex dot exercise 4 before the margin line. Then after the margin line, leave first box and write DRAW draw PICTURES pictures START start ING starting FROM from draw pictures starting from. So under exercise 4 set 3 numbers like this. Now come to the first point, leave one box and write down khakha. After writing khakha, come to the second point, leave one box and write down sassa in the next box like this. Then come to the third point, leave one box and write ed in the next box like this. Now after khakha, leave one box and put hyphen. Similarly after sassa, leave one box and put hyphen. Again after ed, leave one box and put hyphen like this. Now come to the first point. I will draw picture of khumb here. Khakha, khumb. Now Next two, you have to do it by yourself. Now leave one line and write down EX dot exercise 5. After that, after the margin line, leave first box and in the next box start writing WRITE, write, IN, in, ALPHABETICAL, alphabetical, order, ORDER, order. Now after that, leave one line and put number 1. After that, after the margin line, leave first box and after that write down Kakka. Again leave one box and write down Sassa. Then after that leave one box and write down ED. And then after leaving one box write down Ura. Now leave one line and put number 1 again. Here you have to write the alphabetical order of given letters. Now leave next line and put number 2 here. After that leave one box and write down Era. Then leave one box and write Ura. Again leave one box and write Khakha. After that leave one box and write Ed here. Like this. Then leave next line and put number 2 in the next line. You have to solve these. You have to write the alphabetical order of these letters. Now read the line Uda. Uda is here. So Uda comes first. So put cross at the top and write Uda here after leaving one box. After Uda, Ada is not there. Ed is there. So put cross at the top of the Ed and write Ed here. That means after leaving one box. Ed Sassa. Sassa is also here, so put cross and after Ed leave one box and write Sassa in the answer. Ha ha Kakka. So only Kakka is left. So write Kakka after leaving one box in the answer. Similarly, you have to do the second one. You have to write these letters in alphabetical order. Now I hope you will finish these exercises in good handwriting and in proper formation. Thanks for watching the video.